Introducing Lumos. Each individual Lumos tower is supplied in one upright and one base bag. Remove the Lumos base and the appropriate uprights. Position and push the bottom upright into the base and tighten using the locking mechanism. Next, slide the top upright into position using the alignment pins and tighten using the 2 screws. This then creates a robust one-piece upright. Add the Lumos top cap using the screw carry hook. You're now in a position to plug in the LED upright into the base socket. Attaching graphics. Locate your graphic onto one half of the magnetic upright using the registration line as a guide. Using the top and bottom formers, loop the graphic around to the other half of the magnetic upright. Then, using the carry hook, position is required.